What's up everybody, this is Mike, and today's video will be very emotional and special for me. We have just reached 20,000 subscribers on this channel. I'm saying we because I really consider this a community, a group of people that are learning together, including me. I'm just the one that is behind the camera, but it's you guys that actually watch the video. You like it, you comment, you share, you do everything possible for me. So with this video, I want to say a huge thank you for being here, for being a part of this community, and for helping me grow, for helping me learn, and for just giving me this possibility to do what I love. I really appreciate it. With that being said, I think I'm going to roll a couple of clips. I made a small compilation of things that I've been doing lately. If you follow me on Instagram, which by the way you should, but if you follow me, you probably know that I've been filming a festival recently, which ended yesterday. So now I will have more time to focus on YouTube and the type of videos that I want to create. But I was shooting a festival and I had some free time a couple of days ago to go camping with some friends. So I compiled a couple of clips together, which is my way of saying thank you. I really hope you enjoy watching this, and I really enjoy sharing these moments of my life. Hopefully you guys like to watch them, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, I want to thank you for being here, for being a part of this community, for being awesome, and for sharing your thoughts under my videos in the comment section. I really appreciate it, and it really makes me very happy. One last thing I want to say is that I really like to talk to you guys, so feel free to voice your opinion on what kind of videos you want to see from me next. I really want to create something that you guys enjoy watching, so feel free to do so in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to do that if I can. With that being said, enjoy the video, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you once again.